Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Delights. Today we're diving into a fantastic recipe that's perfect for a quick and healthy lunch grilled chicken salad. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. This light and refreshing dish is packed with protein, vitamins and flavor, making it an ideal choice for a satisfying midday meal. The combination of grilled chicken and fresh vegetables creates a harmony of taste and health benefits. This recipe is incredibly easy to follow, even if you're short on time. You can whip it up in no time and enjoy a wholesome meal. We'll be using simple, fresh ingredients to create a salad that's as delicious as it is good for you. Freshness is key to bringing out the best flavors in this dish. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and fuel your body with this fantastic grilled chicken salad. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas will make your mouth water. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive into the preparation process and make this delightful dish together. Let's gather our ingredients and begin our culinary journey to create this simple yet delicious grilled chicken salad. From the kitchen to your table, let's make every bite count. First things first, let's gather our fresh ingredients. It's essential to start with the best quality produce to ensure our dish is both delicious and nutritious. Chicken breast, 200 grams. This will be our main source of protein, providing approximately 230 calories. Make sure to choose a fresh, organic chicken breast for the best flavor and health benefits. Lettuce, 100 grams for a crunchy base, offering about 15 calories. Crisp and refreshing, lettuce adds a delightful texture to our dish. Cherry tomatoes, 50 grams. These add a burst of sweetness and around 12 calories. Their vibrant color also makes our dish visually appealing. Cucumber, 50 grams. This refreshing ingredient contributes about 8 calories. Cucumbers are hydrating and add a cool, crisp element to our salad. Red onion, 25 grams for a bit of zest, adding approximately 10 calories. The sharpness of red onion will balance the sweetness of the tomatoes. For our simple dressing, we'll need olive oil, 1 tablespoon, a healthy fat source, providing about 120 calories. Olive oil not only adds richness, but also brings out the flavors of the other ingredients. Lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, its tangy flavor comes with just 4 calories. Freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a bright, zesty note to our dressing. Salt and pepper to season to taste with negligible calories. These essential seasonings will enhance the overall flavor of our dish. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready to go, let's move on to the exciting part. Cooking the chicken. This is where the magic happens, transforming our fresh ingredients into a delicious meal. Grilling the chicken is a breeze. Season the chicken breast with salt and pepper. Heat a grill pan over medium heat. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side or until cooked through. Remove from heat and let it rest for a few minutes. While the chicken is resting and absorbing all the delicious flavors, let's prepare our salad base. Now, let's create a bed of freshness for our grilled chicken. Wash and chop the lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Fresh, clean vegetables are the foundation of a great salad. In a large bowl, combine the chopped vegetables. This mix of colors and textures will make your salad not only delicious, but also visually appealing. For the dressing, simply whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper in a small bowl. You can also add a touch of honey or mustard for an extra layer of flavor. Once the chicken has rested, slice it and arrange it over the salad. The warm, juicy chicken will complement the crisp vegetables perfectly. Drizzle with the dressing and toss gently to combine. Be careful not to overmix, as you want to keep the ingredients intact and vibrant. There you have it, a healthy, easy and utterly delicious grilled chicken salad, perfect for any meal. This recipe is not only packed with flavor but also provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats and essential vitamins. It's a complete meal in a bowl. It's a fantastic option for a quick and nutritious lunch that will keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Whether you're at home or at work, this salad is a great choice.